Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off notifications from Instagram. So the process is very straightforward and simple. Instagram periodically sends you notifications. If you don't want that, just open up Instagram, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. From here you want to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. From here you want to tap on settings right at the top. And once you're on the settings page, you're looking for the notifications option, which is right there. So I'll tap on notifications, and you have various different notification settings that you can turn on and off. But we're specifically looking for the from Instagram notifications. So I'll select that, and then you can select all of them and turn them off. So you can see reminders is off. You just want to set that. Then you want to go product announcements and feedback, turn that off. Support requests, turn that off. Unrecognized logins, that is one that you might want to enable, so I would leave that one on. And then you get additional options in system settings. So this is all you need to do from the Instagram app side. You should not get notifications from Instagram if you set those settings like I just showed you. Then you can go back and just enjoy Instagram once again. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.